Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Nate's Auto Repair. Today we have a 2018 Mazda 3 with water in the spare tire location. So under this spare tire, it was full of water, probably half a gallon of water. Today we're going to show you what the cause is and how you can fix this. Basically, I already took the tire out and drained it. There's two rubber grommets right around here. Pull those out, that'll drain your water out, or you can shop vac them out, whatever is easier for you guys. So now we're going to get into what causes this normally. So your number one main cause, this is your tail light. You can see it's the outer tail light. The gaskets on these get very brittle. You can see this one's coming apart, and they let water in when it rains out, and the water actually runs down here all the way down into here, and it's actually wet on this cover, and then it runs down into the spare tire well. These out, basically you have these three nuts on these. So I'll move this cover out of the way, take the three nuts off. I'll show you guys on this side. So there's 1 and 2 and 3. It will not be this easy. I already loosened these up. I'm just taking them out by hand now. Alright, so we got those three out. We're going to pull these plugs off. The tabs are facing towards you. You're just going to press that tab in and pull it out. Same with this one. Now to get this light out of here, we're going to come back here. We're going to take our hand and push towards the back of the car. This usually will work, but might not. So guys, we got that out. The only other real alternative spot that could be leaking to cause this is the little pin grommets here, or the actual seal around the trunk. I don't think it's those, so we're going to start with these tail light gaskets. So we're going to peel these off, get a razor blade and get them off as good as we can. The new ones actually have a sticky side on them as well, so we'll just stick the new ones on. You guys get the idea. I'm going to use the second hand for this. But yeah, just pull it off all the way around. Should be pretty simple. So you guys can see we have it cleaned off pretty well. Now we're just going to clean off this surface. See, there's a little bit here. Not too bad though. Alright guys, so we got our surfaces as clean as possible. We're going to go ahead and pull these out of the package and put the sticky side onto the light and then throw them back in. So just match them up. You can see this one has an L for left, as does the light right above that. So that is your driver's side one, and then the other one is going to have an R. Make sure it's even all the way around, that it's going to seal when you put it back in. And here we go. Put this back in. Take it. Line it up with that. And get that pin in there. So you can see I have them lined up. That one's set up in there. Now we're just going to push it in. And that's basically it. We're going to put these nuts back on, plug the plugs back in, and shut this trunk, spray it down with a hose and make sure they don't leak, and then we're going to ship this car. to get this clip out and put that clip back through the hole here. That one actually came out wrong. Usually you can get this out without pulling the clips out, but this one actually pulled right through. Alright guys, lights are in. It does not leak. That's going to conclude today's video. If this video helped you out and saved the day for you, please hit the like button, hit the comment button, and hit the subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.